Good morning, ma'am. It's hard to say goodbye to a person who becomes a part of your everyday life. Honestly speaking, it is sad and shocking to know that you're going to leave us shortly and you won't be there in our team anymore. Thank you so much for being a mentor, inspiration, guide, and supporting us all the time. It was wonderful working with you for last 2 years. We are really going to miss you, ma'am. Before I say goodbye to you, I would like to dedicate a song for you. So here I go. तुम चले जाओगे तो सोचेंगे, तुम चले जाओगे तो सोचेंगे, हमने क्या खोया, हमने क्या पाया, जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया. I just want to wish you, ma'am, you and your family a great year and a great life ahead. Stay safe, all the best, and stay blessed all the time. Goodbye, ma'am, till we meet.
Dear Panchali ma'am, it was a good association with you, though the time was very short. All of a sudden you were leaving us, whatever may be the reason is. Stay happy and stay with your family. I'm sorry I can't meet you. All the best for your future and stay safe. Lots of love. Thank you.
Dear Panchali ma'am, I wish you all the very best that life has to offer. I hope and pray that you stay well, stay happy, and stay in good health. And be the cheerful self that you've always been, that we have always seen. Locations change. Feelings, relationships, emotions, they stay, they don't change. So you will stay in our hearts forever. You can be wherever else you wish to be, but you will always remain in our hearts. I wish you all the very best. Bye bye. Have a great time.
Beautiful, charming, vivacious, and pretty. I loved your sense of humor. Those one-liners were really witty. You, a problem solver. Ma'am, you're cool swag. We will really miss you. You were simply fab. Ma'am, we will miss you a lot.
Hello, Panchali ma'am. It was really wonderful time which we have spent with you. Many memories which we all have made together, whether it was anniversary, birthday celebrations, or any festival celebration. It was really wonderful. And now, when you're leaving, I would like to wish you very best for your future endeavors. As they say that every ending has a new beginning. So may this beginning should be as beautiful as you are. Thank you. Bye-bye.
हाय मैम, दिस इज़ फॉर यू. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा. तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया, तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया.
मैंने तेरे लिए ही सात रंग के सपने चुने,
सपने सुरीले सपने, ओ मैंने तेरे लिए ही सात रंग के सपने चुने, सपने सुरीले सपने.
वो यादें किसी दिलो जाने के चले जाने के बाद आती है, यादें यादें. चलते चलते
मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
Miss you, ma'am, and love you, ma'am.
All the best, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
All the
Ma'am, I am singing this song, ma'am, specially for you because you are going to Ahmednagar, you are leaving us so soon. So I thought I sing this song so that you can remember us later on also. चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। रोते हंसते यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते प्यार करते करते हम तुम कहीं खो जाएंगे इन्हीं बहारों में, आंचल में थक के सो जाएंगे। प्यार करते करते हम तुम कहीं खो जाएंगे इन्हीं बहारों में, आंचल में थक के सो जाएंगे। सपनों को फिर भी तुम यूं ही सजाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते। थैंक यू मैम।
Hi, ma'am. First of all, it is very, very difficult for me to express my feelings towards you through this video. I think you know how much I respect you. I love you. You know it very well, ma'am. It's really very hard to say bye to you. I really love you a lot. I'll miss you.
Hello, ma'am. When it comes to you, I don't think so any such formal goodbye or something that I'm prepared to bid you or kind of farewell or something, because I'm really not mentally prepared. So I will definitely not say it has been a very personal sharing, and because I don't want to put it in past tense, because this is going to continue and I'm going to call you for every bits, whatever I'm going to do or whatever I should do or something. I need your suggestion and I need you always. So be happy, ma'am. I just hope that wherever you stay with your family, you stay healthy, you stay good, and have a happy time, have a healthy time. Please be safe, ma'am. I love you. Meet you soon.
My dear principal ma'am, goodbye is not the appropriate word for you, as because we will always be in touch with each other. Ma'am, I have worked with many people in my earlier school, but I have never met a person like you. Ma'am, your endless motivation, persistence, effort was really awesome. I will be missing you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. I was told to prepare a parting speech for you 10 days back. I said a number of times, but I failed as I got emotional. Today, I gathered courage and take this opportunity to address you, dear ma'am. I'm really unfortunate and I will miss each and every moment spent under your able leadership. I will miss the beautiful, charming smile of the elegant lady every day, which itself is a positive way to start the day. I will miss the liberty you gave us to conducting our classes. The miss list is never ending. I am and I will always cherish the fabulous moment we spent together at Barbecue Nation, Eco Park, and other school outings. I wish you and your family all the very best for your future. Being from the same place, I will be in touch with you, ma'am. Love you so much. We are really going to miss you badly. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Dear Panchali ma'am, it was a great experience working under your guidance. As a captain of the ship, you ensured comfortable working environment and I never felt the pressure of work. Even as my classes started late, you let me do the work that was comfortable and smooth flowing without interfering in the way of teaching. I will remember the time spent with you besides school time. It was not only about work but fun and enjoyable time whenever possible. We'll miss you and your beautiful and graceful presence. Wish you and your family the very best in life and Godspeed. Thanks to Facebook. We'll keep in touch. Bye ma'am and all the best to you and your family. Bye ma'am.
Hello ma'am. It's a very sad from my part to say goodbye to you. We were associated since December 2018. I will be cherishing those memories of our present interactions forever. Stay happy and beautiful as you are always. Wishing you and your family wonderful times ahead. Ma'am, I will miss you a lot.
Hello ma'am. They say goodbyes are difficult and today I actually feel that. I'm actually in loss of words, what to say. I intend to send you a happy message when you leave, but it's a lot of concocted thoughts in my mind. Ma'am, my journey of this school started with you. I have actually not seen this school without you. In life or especially in the army, ma'am, we all know circumstances, situation change. We are subconsciously always ready for it. But still, ma'am, there are some circumstances that you really do not want to change. And some situations in your life. For me, ma'am, it was the school, ma'am. The physical change of the school was also a little jerk, ma'am, but this is a big jolt. वो एक प्रीसेट माइंड होता है ना मैम कि आप हो, कुसुम मैम है, ये सारी set of teachers है. I mean, when you wake up in the morning, that set of mind is always there, and you want that thing does not disturb at all. But it had to. But I hope this. I know we are in this ordeal, and we don't know when this will end. This must be the only solution for you. जो I just wish कि आपने जो decision लिया है, that proves to be the best for your family, for your personal life, and for everything that you have thought of in your life. Ma'am, wish you all the best for everything. Lots and lots of happiness, lots of good health, and lots of love to your children, and regards to Colonel Chattopadhyay. And please, ma'am, we'll stay in touch. And thank you for everything you have taught us. You have been with us in all the situations, ups and downs you have seen in the school, but the way you have handled it and the way the strength you have given to us and the support you have given to us. Thank you so much, ma'am. You will surely be missed, and I love you a lot. Thank you, ma'am.
इरादा चाहे जो भी कर ले वो हम करके दिखलाए, तुम्हारे ही तरह आन बान शान से जी कर दिखलाए। वो तेरा भोलापन, वो अपनापन, वो सोने सा दिल, वाह क्या खूब, इससे आगे और क्या कहे। पूछो तो दिल से, तो दिल ये कहे, तेरे होने से रोशन दिन, सताए याद तेरे बिन। You are the guide, you are the light, you are the star. We simply love you, love you.
Hello ma'am. It is sad to see you leave. It's very difficult to say goodbye to you ma'am because you are such an excellent principal. I really enjoyed working with you ma'am. आप इतने अच्छे हो, हमको इतना अच्छा लगे स्कूल में काम करके आपके साथ। इतना एंजॉय किया मैम हम स्कूल में, हर काम एंजॉय करके किया मैम आपके साथ। यू आर सच एन वंडरफुल पर्सन मैम। आई लव योर फ्रेंडली बिहेवियर एंड पॉजिटिव स्पिरिट मैम। इन ऑल हॉनेस्टी, all will tremendously miss you ma'am, really miss you ma'am. Take care, wishing you all the best ma'am.
They say a few people leave an indelible impression in our lives. You are one of them, ma'am. Thank you for always being there for us. Thank you for all the memories. Thank you for treating us like family, for loving us, for supporting us. You are simply the best principal that I've ever met, ma'am. Thank you for always being you. Love you, ma'am, and I'm really going to miss you. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. It's my pleasure to work with you in school. It is a very pleasant time, ma'am. Your smiling face always motivated and encouraged me to do my duty. I really miss you, ma'am. I can't believe you are leaving. But wherever you stay, ma'am, you stay happy and healthy. ভালো থাকবেন ম্যাম। বাই।